Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to create your own sound in Snapchat. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open the Snapchat application. Now here you need to first of all record a little video. Now on the right side of the screen you can see the sound icon. Now select it. Now you need to select create sound. Now there are two options. The first one says upload from camera roll. This option let you get to your photos option, and there you can select any video, and from that video the Snapchat will get the audio extracted and use it in your snap. The second option says record sound. You can record the sound instantaneously right here. Now I'll go with this one. Now select on the mic icon. Hey everyone, how you doing? You can also name your sound. Now select on save sound. Now again go to the sound icon. Now select my favorites. Now select my sounds, and here you can select the sound. And that's how you guys can successfully use your own sound for your snaps on Snapchat. So that's it for the video now. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.